Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing very well and fantastic. Friends, today I am going to discuss about the introduction of clubbing of income as per the provisions of section 60 to 64 which has been introduced under the Income Tax Act 1961. Various people want to know why the clubbing provision has been introduced under the Income Tax Act 1961. Friends, generally an assessee is taxed in respect of his own income. In some cases, however, the Income Tax Act deviates from this principle and assessee may be taxed under section 60 to 64 in respect of income which are legally belong to some other persons. Provisions incorporated deals with the cases where taxpayer make an attempt to reduce their tax bill by transferring their assets in favor of their family member or by arranging their sources of income in such a manner that tax incidence falls on others, whereas benefit of income directly or indirectly is derived by them. In order to counteract the practices of tax avoidance, necessary provisions of section 60 to 64 has been made to tax the income in the hands of an individual even though such income is belong to some other persons. I hope from this short video you have understand the introduction of clubbing of income which has been introduced as per the provision of 60 to 64 of Income Tax Act 1961. Thank you.